I needed you more than I needed myself. Cause nobody else can feel this pain. Nobody else gon' feel the same. I swear to God, I needed you more than I needed myself. Cause nobody else can.
Boom. Hey, welcome back to my channel, y'all. This is my first upload on my channel. And today, let me be quiet because I do not want to be loud for baby. So look, this is my first video I'm going to upload on my channel. So y'all get ready. I need y'all to subscribe, comment, and like. Please go ahead, follow me, man. It's going down. This your girl, Docky, if you feel me. And I'm about to go sped crazy on me. So look, we about to go ahead and prank baby. And we're going to see her reaction. So today this is going to be a reaction video. Me, your girl Docky. Yeah. So, hey, I'm in the bathroom, so let me be quiet because baby, she in the next room over. So, y'all come follow me. I'm about to prank her. So, get ready. Let's go. Okay, so, we back. Look. Dang, that's what happens when you live in apartments, but. Okay, anyways, let's get to the video. Let's get to the video. Come on, y'all. Come on. Follow me, man. Let's go.
My love, you want to come watch Walking Dead with me?
I'll be in there, Mama.
All right, because it's getting good.
All right, I'll be in there.
Right now, they sitting under bunkers because of the Savior.
Okay, y'all. I'm going to be making loud noises to see baby's reaction. So, shh. Come on. Shh.
My stuff.
Go crazy! Go stupid!
I'm getting ready for
Go
the
crazy.
powwow.
No,
Go stupid! Go crazy! Yeah!
Get ready for the powwow. Look. No. Hold on, let me show you. Cause look, if you put you take this right here, right? Then the powwow. They be like,
Oh my God!
you want me to help you with your hair?
Yes, please, and watch The Walking Dead with me because we have to be gone at 2 o'clock. Her thing started at 2 o'clock.
Okay. Come on, let me help you with your hair. Just let me help you. Come on, how you want your hair?
I need to interlock my
Sit down. Just sit down.
Interlock it. Here, you got
Oh shit!
What is you doing? Interlocking it. No, with this. What is this?
You know how they do that sponge beat
No,
where you just hurry up and sponge it, so you take that beat somewhere at 2 o'clock?
I have my interlock thing. You do not need no towel. This is what I
What
use to
the
dry my hands off.
hell?
Look, just be still. Let me show you. Just be still. Hold on, let me show you.
No, you
look. You trust me? Okay.
I trust you, but
All right, listen.
that is not to be done on my head.
All right, look. I know you see this. It's a sponge for your
Go crazy! Go stupid!
No,
Go crazy!
It's not sponge.
Okay, y'all, man. I don't know if that was a good video or not, but y'all down in the description below in the comments, let me know what y'all want to see next. Coming with straight smackaroos, man. Like I'm smack you with my video. So y'all go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what's going on. So now we're about to go over here and tell baby that you feel me. It was just a reaction video. She kind of mad, but I don't think she too mad. We gonna find out. So let's go. Come on.
I can go to my niece ceremony thing at her school at 2 o'clock.
My love, you talking smack?
Yes, I am, because I'm trying to watch The Walking Dead and you talking about some dang on powwow.
What?
Walking Dead and you talking about some dang on powwow.
What?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What's the dang on power?
My love, look, it was just your reaction video, babe.
What you mean a reaction video?
It was a reaction video, my love.
But you know how I am when it comes down to the
My
Walking
love.
Dead and we got to
Listen,
on at a certain
listen,
time.
y'all. She don't know. It was just a reaction video.
No,
it was just a reaction video, my love. My love, it was just a reaction video. I love you. I would never.
I love you too.
I would never disturb you, my love. So go ahead. Come on. Sped crazy?
Sped crazy.
I went sped crazy on you?
You did.
Okay.
You got
so, y'all, I got her. I just want to hear her reaction. Y'all see her reaction. She look kind of mad right now, but I mean, just wipe your glasses off for a little bit. Just a little bit. Because it's like you like steamy mad. Yeah. Wipe them glasses off. So while she wipe her glasses off, y'all tune in. Next video, y'all know what's going down. Your girl Docky, you feel me, going sped crazy. Y'all already know what it is. So guess what, man? Subscribe!
Niggas say they steppers, but we stepping for no reason. He say he gon' take something, that'll be a reason. I'm begging to go shake something, please give me a reason. I say please give me a reason.